Two men invested 1.2 million cedis and 1.8 million cedis in a business. How should they share a profit of 300,000 cedis if they agree to share it in the proportion of their investments? So we have two men who brought their monies together to create a business. The first man invested 1.2 million cedis and the second man invested 1.8 million cedis. Let's call the first man Dan and let's call the second man Phil. So Dan's investment is 1.2 million cedis and Phil's investment is 1.8 million cedis. Dan and Phil decided that when they get a profit from the business, they will share it in the proportion of their investment. Now, at the end of a period, they realized a profit of 3,000 cedis from the business. We want to know how much each of them will get out of the 300,000 cedis. Remember, they agreed that they will share the profit in the proportion of their investment. So it means that the ratio that they are going to use for the sharing will be Dan's investment is to Phil's investment, which is 1.2 million cedis is to 1.8 million cedis. 1.2 million cedis is to 1.8 million cedis can be written as 1.2 million cedis divided by 1.8 million cedis. 1.2 million cedis divided by 1.8 million cedis is equal to 2:3. So it means that the ratio of Dan's investment to Phil's investment is equal to 2:3. Remember that they agreed to share the profit in the proportion of their investments. So they agreed to use this ratio to share the profits. The profit they realized from the business was 3,000 cedis. So they used this ratio to share the 3,000 cedis. Using this ratio, Dan's share will be equal to Dan's part of the ratio, which is 2, divided by the sum of the two. So 2 plus 3, which is 5, times the 3,000 cedis they shared. And this is equal to 120,000 cedis. So it means that Dan's part of the profit was 120,000 cedis. In the same way, Phil's part of the profit will be equal to Phil's part of the ratio, which is 3, divided by the total, which is 5, times the 300,000 cedis that was shared. And this will give us 120,000 cedis. So this means that the man who invested 1.2 million cedis in the business got 120,000 cedis out of the 300,000 cedis profit that was shared. And the man who invested 1.8 million cedis in the business got 180,000 cedis out of the 300,000 cedis profit that was shared.